In this video, we're going to show you exactly how you can change your alarm sound on an iPhone. If this video does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for even more iPhone tips just like this. It really does help out the channel. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is get onto your phone and click on this little clock app to open it up. From here, you can either go ahead and change an existing alarm or create a new alarm. It's completely up to you. To change an existing one, just simply go ahead and click on it, or to create a new one, click on this little plus icon and you can create one from here. In this case, we're going to go ahead and change this alarm right here. So I've clicked on it. Once you click on it, you just need to go ahead and click on this little sound option right here and scroll through this list until you find an option of one that you do like. In this case, I'm going to choose, I guess, shelter right here. In this case, I'm going to choose shelter right here, but it's completely up to you what you choose. Once you find one that you like, go ahead and just make sure it's selected and then hit back. And to actually save your changes, you just simply need to go ahead and hit save and then turn on that alarm and you'll be good to go. It really is as simple as that. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more tutorials like this. Have a great day.